Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to view all expenses and supplier transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is especially helpful for small business owners and accountants who need to stay on top of budgets and payments. First, go to the QuickBooks website. In the upper right corner, click the Sign In button. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online since QuickBooks offers multiple products. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This section gives you a clear view of your expense data. If you want to specifically review supplier transactions, select the Vendors tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your suppliers giving you insights into business relationships, outstanding bills, and payments. QuickBooks also offers powerful filtering options. You can sort transactions by purchase orders, overdue items, open bills, or even paid bills. These filters make it easy to find exactly what you need without wasting time. By using these steps, you'll have better oversight of your finances, which improves decision-making and saves time for growing your business or keeping accurate books. And that's how you view all expenses and supplier transactions in QuickBooks Online.